Okay, so all I did now was remove basically the guts of this thing and replaced the O-rings from here. I just put new O-rings on and replaced the expansion valve. This is the old one. I have no idea if it failed or not. This could just be the oil that was in it, and then I pulled it apart and that was there. I really couldn't see down in the dash. So yeah, I took the stud out. The stud is like a stud here, and put it in a new expansion valve. That's like a, I don't know, it's E3, I want to say. And put it in there. And those are like number 3's down in there too, I think. I can't remember. It's been a long day. Yeah. I was just comparing to make sure these are the same. Appear to be. And this. So I'm going to start, took my shop vac, went around, kind of sucked up as much dirt as I can. I'm going to wipe it down now before I put the evaporator in. I was inside here and kind of swept out a little bit. But yeah, next step is to clean it up and get that in there.